Yeah, I'm about to cut all that out. I'm just gonna slowly set this right there. Hey yo, what's going on guys? I'm Retro and welcome back to another video on Retro Vlogs. On today's video, I'm planning on like just getting some things done. Today's my last day until school starts again, so you know, videos are gonna be this video is gonna have to be edited during school and shit. Today's video we're just gonna be focusing on the damage that is happened to the bike. The two-stroke took a really big beating yesterday. If you have not watched the last video, you should go watch it. It was a really fun video. It was a really goofy video. It was just a video to just chill out and laugh to. But yeah, basically what happened was me and my friend met up, and then we decided to hang out and whatever. I went to his house, and then later on shit, it was funny because we were like, oh, what was she blah. Yeah, it was a fun video. We went everywhere, so yeah, it was pretty fun. But if you missed out, you should go check it out. Pretty fun video. But enough about the video and whatever. The bike, what happened to the bike? Well, if you watch the video, you would know. My friend basically wrecked the thing. My friend wrecked the thing, and like, he didn't wreck it, but what he did was, so I gave him the bike. I thought, you know what, he knows how to ride motorcycles. Okay, cool. I'll give him the bike. No, I'm joking, Jeff, you do know. But I thought he had it down, right? So he thought that this handle right here, this right here is a brake lever, right? But the thing is, it's not hooked to anything. This is the same cable from that. This is my brakes, and this is my clutch, right? So he didn't know that, and he just started slamming on this, and nothing was happening. And what he ended up doing was he stalled first. The back wheel locked up. He stalled, flew on top of the damn sidewalk, and crushed the plant. Due to him wrecking, what happened now is this. If you cannot, if you know, this is not normal. This is not normal at all. This is nowhere near normal. I gotta disassemble all of this stuff, right? I gotta disassemble the handlebars to get to these correctly so I can tighten them down correctly. Because the first time I did rebuilt this, again, if you're up to date on my Instagram or whatever, you'll see back in November, October, I did some repair to this because these forks were backwards, so I put them back where they were supposed to go. But of course, that didn't work out too well because I didn't take off the handlebars. I was kind of rushing it. I'm gonna go put you guys on the head cam, and let's get to tearing this shit up. Alright guys, I got you guys on the head cam. Now time to get to work. But wait, shit, I don't have tools. Wait, let's change that. Alright, there we go. The power of editing. So let's first get to how to remove this handlebar off here. So what we got? We got some Allen keys, and from under we got some more Allen keys. Alright, what the hell's going on? Alright, let me get my Allen keys. And I guess I lost my Allen keys. Where my Allen keys at? Oh yeah, this right here is also, well, as you guys know by the time that you're watching the video, as you guys know, if you guys have watched that video, red engine is started already. I got it finally cranked up and whatever. And this right here is a light for a two-stroke. I'm gonna put a headlight for the two-stroke. I think it'll look really good. So for now I just gotta get a 12-volt battery and a switch so I can switch it on and off. For now, let's work on the handlebars. Found it. Here's my Allen key. Actually, I'll bring this whole thing. Alright, we got my Allen keys. What do we need now? See if this one is the one. A little bit loose. Yep, this is the one. I don't know if it's doing anything, but I'm gonna assume no. Is that you turning? No. It is. So it is turning. Okay, well that works. I just realized I should probably hit it with one of these. Get some WD-40. Anything else I need from here? That way I don't need to keep going back and forth. Should be fine. Alright, let me use my gas rag. Oh no, that's not good. That's leaking right over the damn CDI. That's not what we want. Alright, let that sit for a minute. Let's see. Dude, it's hot as hell. And we're in January. This sucks, having to work upside down like this. Alright, I think we're doing it. It's getting loose. Alright, second bolt down. 2 more to go. This one came off easy too, thank goodness. Now, after this one, I got the other one. The other one, I think I'm gonna punch in some more WD-40 because these ones came off easy. So that one should too. And it's not stripped. So yeah. This is the tedious part about working on anything really that, you know, tells to get about bolts and stuff. You gotta be very patient with how you do this. Because if you go really fast, you might strip. If you go really slow, you might just aggravate yourself. Trust me, it's happened way too many times. The number one thing, just be calm and shit. Slow and steady wins the race in the mechanic world. Or, you know, building shit. So after we're done with this bolt, one more. Then we're gonna pull off these handlebars, and then we're gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these cables though. I gotta put them in a way where they don't interfere with what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm about to cut all out. Dude, I just almost lost this bolt because I'm over here just twisting it with my hand. Boop. There goes that. Let's see how. It should be a lot looser now. Let's get the last bolt off and then we'll see. Yeah, see, this one's really a bitch. Oh shit, I think I just fucked up these non-working brakes. Well, there you go. All I needed was some leverage. All right, so after we get this one off, we should be able to pull off these handlebars. That's if they don't just fall down the moment I get this bolt out. And the moment this bolt is really loose, I'm gonna carefully let off of it. So let me check out what's going on. Okay, so what's going on is that this is about to get off. That's it, that's what's going on. I'm gonna use this weird angle to my advantage and twist it. There we go. There it goes. Last one. In you go. All right guys, let's check this out. So I'm just gonna slowly set this right there. All right, well, that wasn't so hard. I was expecting this to be way harder. All right, check it out. Now we can see the play. There's a lot of play over here. These bolts have to be tightened. There's also some play here, but I don't know how to fix this. I don't know what's going on with this. Is this a whole Allen key by itself, this whole thing? That's what I'm guessing. Let me see if I have a huge ass Allen key for that. If not, my dad has some in the 2 valve. A little box tray. Yeah, this is way too small. Okay. Yeah, I'll worry about that later. First, let me make sure that these forks are tightened down. So a few more taps here, and I think that we should be done. My bad. I don't feel a lot of play, but I mean, play as in like, it's very, very noticeable it's about to fall off. No, but if you give it a good tug, you can feel it move, but it's probably just this over here. Probably just this whole, I don't know what this is called, but this. It's probably just moving. Well, that's pretty much it for that. Time to put the handlebars back on, and after that's done, take it for a quick little ride. This is for the red engine. Again, if you've not seen the first start of the red engine, you can go check it out on my channel, or on the channel. You should really check it out. What I need again, I need these bolts. Let's see if I can pour them in here. All right, 4 bolts. They all go in here. Handlebars back to where they were. So how was all of this mounted? This was all mounted right here. That's one. Now it's time to tighten all of them up, and then we should be able to go on a ride. Alright, so I didn't get none of this on camera, but I'm glad I didn't, because this little brake cable that I don't use, it's not functional yet. Again, I've seen it, showed you guys a million times, but it's over here somewhere around there. This thing got stuck on this side, so it would stretch out and you couldn't pull it back. So I just fixed that. but I had to take this whole thing off all over again, and it was a hassle. So yeah, that shit sucks. So yeah, once I put all of this back together how it was, now that every cable is in its place, then I'll start the video again, and we'll take this thing on a ride and see how it does. Alright guys, so the bike is done. That's what I think, and I'm hoping. I think I fixed it. As you could see from time lapse, it was sturdy. I mean, I'm not sure if you could see it, but I'll show you now. It's pretty sturdy now. That's just the whole body of the thing shaking on the pegs. So don't worry, but it's pretty sturdy. So yeah, let's see how safe is my mechanical ability. It's pretty safe, don't worry. But let's see. So I'll get you guys back on the head cam, and then we'll take it out for a spin. The third video, the 30-minute long video over there. Too close. Oh fuck. Whew. This thing is so damn fun. Well guys, camera's about to die. I learned my lesson from the second video where it just died in plain sight over there in Dollar General. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video off here. Thanks for watching. If you liked, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, tell me what you think about the bike. Hopefully it doesn't rattle off anymore. As you just saw over there next to Bravo, the sidewalks are just fucking dog shit. Yeah. Love you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.